fans, it is almost 9 days. This is the clear confirmation that they didn't make it. Yes, there is the clear confirmation that they didn't make it. You know, I know from research, and I have tried it, I know that maize seedlings, they are supposed to start sprouting by 4-5 days maximum. I made a video before now, and I was trying to know why they were not sprouting yet. They were not yet sprouting or sprouted, as the case may be. But today, being Tuesday, it is a clear confirmation that they did not make it. Yes, they did not make it. I don't know why they did not make it, but I know they did not make it. Yes, because I have studied it carefully, bit by bit. The whole of this bed, I have not seen any sign. When I say any sign, I mean any sign. There is no sign, there is no symptoms, there is no clear evidence that this thing will sprout again. Yes, I believe that they didn't make it. Yes, they didn't make it. So reason why I'm making this video today is please, if you plant seedlings, make a proper research. Yes, make a proper research so that you will not, make a proper research on what you are going into. Before now, I believe that it is, well, the reasons why I'm saying they did not make it is because I believe maybe it is the longer they stay. It's almost 7 months since I bought those seedlings. But I see maize seedlings kept under direct heat. Maybe that's the only way to preserve, because mine, I did not put it there. So I believe that is the reason why they did not make it. Because if you keep them under direct heat from your local way of preserving, as a kitchen, you tie them just under where you're cooking, the heat, it preserves them, it keeps them healthy. So this one, there's a clear confirmation that they did not make it. Reasons not being that they were not good seedlings, but reason being that it was not preserved well. And for you to preserve your corn seedlings in a very good way, it's after, if you don't want to plant them, just make sure you put them under direct heat from this smoke, direct heat from smoke, where in your local kitchen you can just make a small space, where you just tie them, not directly under not close to the fire, but the smoke, it keeps them dried and it keeps them warm, and then it keeps them preserved, so that any year you want, you can always go and then replant them. Because I believe that's the reason why the seedlings did not make it. But I'm still not discouraged. I will still plant another one, maybe after this planting season, or by by October or thereabout. I'm going to go back and buy new ones and then put them inside this particular soil. And I hope and I believe that they will make it. Don't play. Please, so what you have to do for me is, if you want to know how to preserve them, please, just like I said in this video, under direct heat. Understand? Please give us a subscribe, hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up in this video, also share, and above all, leave a comment, because that's the only way YouTube will use to push our videos to people like you, which is watching. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Please stay active, stay farming, stay positive, and above all, don't play. Bye.